vibrant and dynamic with all the machines that they're displaying. Let's meet with Mr. Lee to share what the spotlight of this booth is.
Thank you. Hi, my name is Wayib. I'm from Hurco, Southeast Asia, based in Singapore. So for this show, we actually have the VM20ZR. It is an upgraded model based on our very popular VM20 machining center itself. So for this year, it's a bit special because we actually brought ourselves with us a 4-5 axis Trunnion table doing live machining of a part. So this machine, it's an upgraded model of the VM20 because it has extended Z-axis travel. So it means that there's less obstruction and it allows you to actually add on a tall Trunnion table to machine a part like this. So this part is done programmed entirely out from conversational programming. As you can see, we're running simultaneous 5 axis. So this is possible only because Hurco's controller is simultaneous 5 axis. That's all that we have. Thank you.
So the features are very innovative, which decreases the obstructions.
Yes, that's right. So it's really to give you more space and flexibility so a customer could actually just buy a 3-axis machine and add on 4-5 axis or 4-axis table at some point of time.
So it actually gives customers more options as it's
That's right.
flexible.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Okay. Right. So, Mr. Lee, thank you so much for your time today. Thank you.
Thanks for time. Yeah.
Thaimach has also exhibited state-of-the-art automated solution powered by 11 Dynamics. Let's hear from Mr. Michael to share some more exciting information about it. Hi, Mr. Michael.
Thank you for having us here. It's always a pleasure for us joining the Metalex. This time we much bigger than the years before. We also bring 3 solutions to the exhibition. Brand new is also AI vision and Industry 5.0. So we improve really from 4.0 now to 5.0. What we really do is like we develop a core, It's a unique core and we can use any type of a robot. Brand, we can use any type of sensors and end effectors. We can use existing environments and we make out one solution. And I think this is quite unique and it was never there before. So very happy to add value to this exhibition this year again for us.
Wow, so that's the newest feature from the 11 Dynamics, right?
Yes, and also what is new, so we develop a plugin. That means before, like, we integrate everything on our side. So if you want to add a KUKA or a UR or AS1, we add one by one. But now we deliver the full core to the market next year. That means everyone can add his robot. If he has a new brand, something is new, they can add by themselves. And it's more like becoming an operating system for the Industry 5.0. And very similar, like we want to become the Microsoft for the factory. That's the idea,
So it helps manufacturers bring them closer to Industry 5.0.
Exactly, and what we have is a digital twin. It's like a simulation, but the unique thing is that we use this type of application and we can build a perfect digital twin. And after that, we connect to that. Same like here, we can connect to the robot, we can connect to the sensor, and out of those, we build a perfect solution, tailor-made for any manufacturer in this world, So thank you for having us in Thailand, It's a great opportunity for us.
Thank you too. And before we leave today, is there anything else you'd like to share with our manufacturers in Thailand?
I think keep growing, especially in the South Asia sector. It's perfect for that. And what I can see is there's a lot of potential for you, a lot of potential in the market. And I think it's good. Don't talk too much about it, start doing it. That's Industry 5.0 about. Don't talk too much, just do it. Take a software, use a product, use a robot and start. It's so easy. It was never that easy because we developed something without a coding system, so you can have the non-code environment, and this makes it super unique.
Wow, all right. So thank you so much, Mr. Michael.
Thank you so much for having us here.
ขอบคุณค่ะ